Then let's to check the parameter. Parameter 1 is all parameter is 1 from step 1 to 36. What? Okay. Jump 36. The value is right. Then click is 40. The value is right. Parameter is right. Jump 44. 3. Right. 44. 6. 6 recipe. Step 1 to step 60. It's all the same. The parameter is 460. So it is right. So it can parameter the importer and exporter the parameter successfully. Then let's to check the U-disk the parameter on the computer. Now we edit the parameter again, such as we save the recipe 7. We plug in the U-disk again. Now the recipe has 7. We export the parameter again. Okay, plug in the disk to the former machine, which also has a 6 recipe. Then we delete. There is no recipe again. No, import the parameter. Okay, open the receipt. Okay, 7. It has from the other machine to this machine for 7.